Hello students, welcome to my new lecture of unit number 4, heat treatment of metals. We will learn the topic normalizing and hardening. Generally, steels are normalized by heating 50 to 60 degrees Celsius into the austenite phase, which is higher than the annealing treatment, followed by cooling at a medium rate, or normalizing means air cooling. So steels are generally heated to 50 to 60 degrees Celsius above the austenite phase or in austenite phase region of iron carbide equilibrium diagram, and these steels which are heated, they are cooled at a medium rate in air. So air is a cooling medium in this normalizing heat treatment method. Many steels are normalized to establish a uniform microstructure and grain size. Due to faster cooling rate in normalizing results in a much finer microstructure, which is harder and stronger than produced by full annealing. So here we are comparing it with full annealing. So as compared to full annealing, the steels produced by normalizing are harder and stronger. Generally, steels are normalized to refine grain size, make its structure more uniform, make more responsive to hardening, and to improve the machinability of material. When steels are heated to high temperature, carbon can readily diffuse, resulting in a reasonably uniform composition all over the component matrix. So what are the main purposes of normalizing? The main purposes of normalizing are as follows. First one is to produce harder and stronger steel compared to full annealing. Second is to improve the machinability of steel. Third is to modify and refine the grain. Fourth is to homogenize the microstructure of steel. So here there is the microstructure shown for a normalized steel, which shows the alpha ferrite phase in it and pearlite phase in it. The alpha ferrite phase is whitish in color, whereas pearlite phase is blackish in color. Here the pearlite is finer than finer after annealing. So this is the effect of annealing first for pearlite, and this is the case which I have shown for the normal steel, that pearlite become finer. Okay. The next heat treatment method is hardening or quenching. So the main purpose of hardening is to increase the hardness of steel, and tool steels are hardened to improve their cutting ability. To improve the wear resistance of steel and to improve the magnetic properties of steel, hardening process or quenching process or heat treatment is generally carried out. The hardness after quenching depends on the chemical composition and the cooling rate during quenching. When the steel is quenched to room temperature, the outside surface cools faster than the interior surface, setting up the counteraction stresses in the steel. That is, internal stresses are set up in the steel. Then when austenite transforms to martensite, there is a volume expansion that causes large residual tensile stresses on the surface. This combined effect of these contraction and expansion stresses can cause distortion and even sometimes cracking. The quenching rate or cooling rate in oil is much milder than water or brine water, which minimizes the residual quenching stresses. So this is hardening process. So here are few references which I have taken. For further reading, you can refer these references also. Thank you.